How do you carry your drone? Is the Mavic Air 2 shoulder bag any good? Let's find out. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology can enhance my time with my kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's look into the Mavic Air 2 shoulder bag and see how everything fits. I will also quickly compare it to the Mavic Air shoulder bag. And finally, is this shoulder bag good enough, or is there a better bag for carrying my new drone? Here's the Mavic Air 2 shoulder bag. Overall, it's a good quality bag. It's made with a black rubbery material all the way around, which should be water resistant and splash proof. It's very easy to wipe down and clean. It holds a good shape and has very nice smooth material accents on the sides. It has a typical shoulder strap, not padded though, but attached securely by metal loops. There is a side grab handle, handy for carrying or pulling it out of a backpack. On the front lower right corner, there is a gray DJI Mavic logo. I like how it's subtle, not bright. There's a small zip pocket under this front flap. The main compartment has a good quality water resistance zipper. It opens up on 3 sides. On the inside, there is a compartment for the drone, which has a nice cutout foam for the head of the drone with the gimbal protector. In the middle, there's a divider that's held in place by a Velcro on one side with compartments for the controller and the batteries. I do wonder why they didn't make the horizontal divider go all the way across. When I put the controller on one side, I worry it'll scratch against the loose batteries or other items on this other side. There are also no dedicated compartments for the batteries, so the loose batteries can also rub against each other. There's a thin sleeve pocket on one side. It's just big enough to fit an iPad mini. There's a zip pouch under the cover. It's quite roomy. Small items such as ND filters, extra cables, backup controller sticks, and propellers can go here. Except for the iPad, this is all I take with me when I go out to fly, so this shoulder bag works. If I really want to, I can also barely squeeze in the charger and the charging hub, but I still have concerns about these loose items rubbing against each other without separate compartment. I guess I can put them in a small pouch first before putting them into the bag. I usually pack the charger and the charging hub separately on an overnight trip anyway. Leave a comment below if you found a better way to pack this bag. I'd love to hear about it. Comparing it with the original Mavic Air shoulder bag, the new Mavic Air 2 bag isn't that much bigger. The Mavic Air bag is covered with a cloth material and the zippers are not water resistant. The Mavic Air 2 bag will be easier to clean and keep clean. It also offers better water protection. What's nice about the Mavic Air bag though is its dedicated compartment for the batteries. It's a tight fit inside, so other accessories such as ND filters will need to go into this awkward outside pouch. And when this pouch is filled, the bag becomes a bit awkward to carry around. The original Mavic Air also came with this case for just the drone, which Mavic Air 2 does not come with. Interestingly, I find the Mavic Air 2 shoulder bag quite similar to the Peak Design Sling I've reviewed before. I'll put a link here and in the description below if you're interested in more details. The Peak Design 6-liter Sling is a tad bigger, also water resistant, has a small front side pocket and a main compartment. It has dividers inside and a tablet sleeve and a zip pouch under the cover. Both bags even have similar triangular stitching in the back. Peak Design Sling is much more configurable and can certainly be used to carry the Mavic Air 2, its controllers, and accessories very well. The shoulder bag is included in the Fly More combo. It's $89 if bought separately. At that price, I certainly suggest going with the much better constructed, more flexible, and more comfortable Peak Design Sling, just for $10 more. Having said that, I still think getting the Fly More combo is still worth it. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get a notification when I post a video about why I think so next. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. I'd love to hear how you carry your drones in the comments section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our time with kids and family, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.